In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit the names of items on a color legend in Tableau desktop. This task is simple but incredibly useful for personalizing your data visualizations or making them clear for your audience. So let's dive right in. First things first, you'll need to open the Tableau public app. If you already have it installed, go ahead and launch it. Make sure you're connected to the internet and logged into your account, as this will allow you to access and edit your worksheets. Once you've opened Tableau, the next step is to access your worksheet. This is the space where all your data visualizations come to life. Navigate through your available sheets until you locate the one you want to modify. It's crucial that you're in the right one so you can effectively edit the color legend items you have in mind. Now in your worksheet, look for the category you'd like to work with and drag it to the column section of your Tableau interface. This action helps you prepare the data and sets up your visuals in a logical format that you can easily modify. Next, drag your data measure, for instance sales, to the rows section. This step is essential to ensure that your data is accurately represented on the worksheet, making it easier to apply and see the changes you'll make. After setting up your rows and columns, take the category field and drag it over to the colors section. This is what actually assigns different colors to various categories in your data. It's a vital step in understanding how these colors relate to your data points on the visual map you're creating. Now that all your data is set, it's time to make the edits on your legend. Go over to the legend and carefully select the name you want to modify. This might be a key part of your visualization that you want to clarify or customize to better fit your presentation style. Once you've selected the item, right-click on its name. This will bring up a menu where you'll choose Edit Aliases. Clicking here opens up a dialog box where you can type in your desired name that will replace the current one on the legend. Finally, after you've made your changes, simply click OK to save these edits. This will immediately update the legend on your visualization, reflecting the new names you've assigned. And there you have it. Your data visualization should now appear more professional and easy to understand at a glance. Editing the names on a color legend can make a big difference in how your data is perceived and understood. So, take a moment to ensure everything looks just the way you want. And that's it for today's guide on customizing your Tableau desktop color legend items. Thanks for watching and happy visualizing.